Hi, my name's Andrew, and today we're going to learn how to tell the time in English. Alright everybody, let's get going. In this video, we will learn about clock basics, important words that we use with clocks and time. Also, we will learn about telling the time on the hour, so o'clock and more. In the next videos, we will learn the other things you see in grey here. Let's start from the basics. This is a clock. Let's try saying that. This is a clock. 3, 2, 1, go! This is a clock. That's great. Well done. A clock face has 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12 hours. But let's look at the sound of the word hour. We say hour, not hour. When we write it down, there is an H, but careful, the letter H in hour is silent. Shh, we don't say it. Hour. You try pronouncing it. 1 hour, 2 hours. 3, 2, 1, go! 1 hour, 2 hours. Well done. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way around until 60. So, 1 minute, 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go! 1 minute, 2 minutes. Good job. A clock has 2 hands. The long big hand is called the minute hand. The shorter small hand is called the hour hand. When the minute hand is on 12, so straight up, we say o'clock. It's the same on a digital clock. When the minutes show 00, we say o'clock. O'clock! Huh? O'clock. You try. Ready? O'clock. 3, 2, 1, go! O'clock. Well done. Looking at this clock, the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 1. So we say 1 o'clock or it's 1 o'clock. But we can also say it's 1. Let's go through the different times to show you. It's 2 o'clock or it's 2. It's 3 o'clock or it's 3. It's 4 o'clock or it's 4. It's 5 o'clock or it's 5. It's 6 o'clock or it's 6. It's 7 o'clock or it's 7. It's 8 o'clock or it's 8. It's 9 o'clock or it's 9. It's 10 o'clock or it's 10. It's 11 o'clock or it's 11. It's 12 o'clock or it's 12. Careful, only if the minute hand is on 12 or the minutes show 00, we can use o'clock. If not, we don't say o'clock. For example, it's 8:32 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock 32. It's 8:32. When we want to ask the time, we say, what time is it? What time is it? And then we answer with, it's plus the time. For example, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. You try saying it. 3, 2, 1, go! What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. That's great. Well done. Now we're going to do some practice. First, some slow practice. Fill in the gaps to finish the sentences. For example, it's 10 o'clock. Yes. If it's too fast, you can always pause the video if you need more time. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. That's great. Well done. Now some fast practice. Say the answer quickly. For example, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? 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 Well done. Let's go through the answers together. It's 4 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Well done. That was great. So today we learned some clock and time words. This is a clock, and a clock has 12 hours. An hour has 60 minutes. A clock has 2 hands, a minute hand and an hour hand. We also learned how to ask for the time using the question, what time is it? And to say the on the hour times. For example, it's 5 o'clock or it's 5. Brilliant! If you want to know more about telling the time in English, move on to part 2. See you in the next video and have a really good day. See ya!